as it should be. But let me ask my deputy to make a few remarks so that I can conclude. Mr. Deputy President.
Your Excellency, our President, Dr. William Ruto, Your Excellency, the former Prime Minister, Your Excellency, the former Vice President, the leadership of our two houses, members of the executive, and the press, Your Excellency, this is a great morning for this country because the constitution of the Iebc is a great step for our democracy. I want to thank you for the leadership that you have accorded this country in difficult times, and you are acceding to have the report that was bipartisan is a great step in the right direction in this country. In the situation we are in, we want to call upon the people of Kenya that violence begets violence. Now that the President has accepted to have a discussion with our young population, with our leaders, we call upon the people of Kenya to give dialogue a chance, to give consultation a chance, get off the streets, stay away from destruction of property, because Kenya is greater than all of us. And I think, Your Excellency, you have the capacity to lead us in that direction where there is consultation and all Kenyans are able to agree on the way forward. With those few remarks, it's my duty to ask Your Excellency to address the country. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy President. Your Excellencies,